Good morning and welcome to today's news. I am Lucy, your news anchor. So every day we throw away things we no longer need. But have you ever wondered where all the trash goes? In Tasikmalaya, the answer led us to TPA Ciangir, where the amount of waste continues to increase. Behind the efforts to make the area greener, piles of garbage are still growing and becoming a serious environmental concern. To find out more about the current situation, let's go live to our reporter at the location. Amada, can you tell us what is happening there?
Thank you, Lucy. Good morning, viewers. This is Amada Nurhafidah reporting live from TPA Ciangir. So today we are bringing you a closer look at a serious environmental issue under the topic the trash problem at TPA Ciangir between greening efforts and increasing waste. So behind me, you can see mountains of garbage pulling up day by day. And also, this landfill in Tasikmalaya is currently facing an overcapacity problem and has also become a serious concern for the environment and the people living nearby. So, although there have been efforts to green this area by planting trees, the amount of waste keeps increasing and remains difficult to manage. And this landfill in Tasikmalaya is now facing an overcapacity problem and rising concern about environmental damage and public health. And also, many people may not realize where their trash goes after it is thrown away. In reality, much of it ends up here unmanaged, accumulating and becoming a long-term problem. And also, this situation reminds us that reducing waste is not only the government responsibility, but also ours as individuals. Alright, to better understand the real impact of this situation, let's hear from the local resident. There's Miss Agni here from this area. Excuse me, Miss Agni?
Yeah.
May I ask you a few questions?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you. For the first question, how does the condition of this landfill affect your daily life?
Yeah, as a local resident, I felt that the condition of this landfill affects our daily life, yeah, especially because of the unpleasant smell and the dirty surrounding environment. Sometimes the smell can be very disturbing, especially when the weather is hot or windy, and it makes people feel uncomfortable living nearby.
Okay, thank you. And the second question is, what problems do you experience because of the increasing waste?
Yeah, the increasing amount of waste causes several problems, such as a bad smell, more flies, and health concern about health and cleanliness. It also makes the area look less clean and less comfortable. If the waste keeps increasing, I am worried that the problem will become more difficult to control.
Alright, thank you. And for the last question, Miss Agni, what do you hope will be done to solve this problem?
I hope the waste management system can be improved and people become more aware of reducing waste from home. And the government and the community should work together. We can start with simple actions such as reducing plastic use and then separating organic and non-organic waste and recycling. And this problem is not only the government's responsibility but also our responsibility as a community.
Okay, thank you for your time, Miss Agni.
Yeah.
Okay, goodbye. Thank you. Alright, to get a more deeper information, let's hear from the TPA officer who manages this landfill. There's Miss Ninda from this area. Hello, Miss Ninda.
Hello.
May I ask you a few questions?
Of course.
Okay, thank you. For the first question, how would you describe the current condition of this landfill, Miss?
The current condition of this landfill is quite serious, so the amount of waste continues to increase every day and it has become a major environmental concern. So the landfill has been used for many years, so it is now almost full and becoming more difficult to manage.
Alright, for the second question is this landfill already over capacity?
Yes, and this landfill is already over capacity because it receives a large amount of waste every day. If its situation continues, it may only be able to accommodate waste for a limited time in the future.
Alright, for the last question, Miss Ninda, what challenges do you face in managing the waste here, and what solution or action are currently being taken to solve this problem?
Okay, one of the biggest challenges is the lack of public awareness about proper waste management. Many people still throw all kind of waste without separating them first, and then this makes the management process much more difficult and increases environmental risks. And then for the solution itself, currently we are carrying out greening programs around the landfill and working together with the government and local communities. So we are also educating people about reducing waste, recycling, and managing waste properly.
Okay, thank you for the clear information, and thank you for your time, Miss Ninda.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so from what we can see here, this problem is not only about waste, but also about awareness and responsibility. And also, if no serious action is taken, the situation may become worse in the future. And therefore, it is important for all of us to take action, starting for small steps like reducing, reusing, and recycling our waste. And because in the end, the responsibility to protect our environment belongs to all of us. Reporting live from TPA Ciangir, this is Amada Nur Hafidah. Back to the studio. Thank you.
Thank you, Amada, for the report. That was a very concerning situation. It clearly shows how serious the waste problem is. The increasing amount of waste is a problem that needs attention from all of us. We can start with simple actions such as reducing, reusing, and recycling. Small changes in our daily habits can make a big difference for the environment. Thank you for watching. I am Lucy, and this is today's news. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you.